recent inflation data that came out on Monday evening has certainly caught the attention of experts, decision makers, and even politicians. The Consumer Price Index inflation, which is a measure of retail inflation of the country, surged to a surprisingly high level of 7.44% in July 2023. This marks a 15-month high and was actually way above the market estimates of 6.6% to 6.7%. The main culprit behind this significant increase was the food price component, fueled by vegetable prices. The Consumer Food Price Index shot up by 696 basis points, reaching 11.51% in July from the 4.55% reported in June. Among the various food items, cereals, which makes up a substantial portion of the CPI with nearly 10% weight, experienced a staggering 13% price hike from July 2022. However, the standout was the vegetable category with a 13.3% year-over-year increase and a 38.1% month-over-month increase in July. Now, on a positive note, the core CPI, which excludes food and beverages, fuel and light, showed some relief by easing to a 21-month low of 5.1% in July 2023. Now, looking ahead, the progress of the monsoon will be crucial, as any uneven distribution of rainfall could have negative implications for the sowing of kharif crops, potentially worsening the issue of food inflation that we are witnessing right now. Now, earlier this month, the Reserve Bank of India has also kept the repo rate unchanged at 6.5%, attributing the recent surge in vegetable prices to a mismatch between supply and demand. The RBI cannot do much to influence food supply management. Now, given that the core inflation has moderated to 5.1%, the MPC still emphasizes the need for vigilance to take any action to tackle inflation. The primary market, or the IPO market, is set for revival, with about 71 companies planning to launch their IPOs in the second half of fiscal year 24. The primary market had a golden run in 2021, amassing a record-breaking 1.19 lakh crore raised in the year 2021. The IPOs then had a sluggish phase post the mega issue year, but it is now back with a bang, with 71 companies set to take stage in the second half of fiscal year 24. According to Prime Database, the 71 companies in the pipeline could raise as much as $10.7 billion by selling their shares to the public and listing them on the exchange through IPOs in the second half of the fiscal year. Out of the lot, 41 companies have gotten the approval from SEBI, while 30 companies have filed their DRHP and are awaiting approval for the same. The Sensex and Nifty reaching all-time highs on the back of FI investing has garnered confidence. The optimism seen in the secondary market recently is paving way for a host of new companies looking for an opportunity of listing on the exchanges. Now, some of the big names to hit the secondary market are Tata Technologies, Navi Technologies, and NSDL, which could attract a lot of interest among investors. While there are global headwinds, the Indian IPO market is extremely robust and filled with optimism. Having said that, this is me, Merlin Susanna, signing off. Take care and stay invested.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app, Informed Investor, to watch more such informative and interesting videos.
Equity investments are subject to market risk. Read all investment-related documents carefully. Visit www.researchandranking.com.